Let's take a look at how you can create a custom guide sign and use it in your project. To create a new guide sign, go to the Kobi Signs Stripes ribbon and select Guide Signs command. From the Board Blocks library, select the panel style you would like to use and insert it into the drawing. All board blocks are dynamic, which means you can easily reshape and customize them through the Properties palette to match your design requirements. To add elements on it, go to Guide Signs again. Here, you will find all standard elements such as arrows, shields, symbols, and text boxes. We'll start by selecting a shield and placing it on the panel. We can adjust its size and position in the Properties panel. We'll then add text to the shield using the Text command. We adjust its height and style in the Properties panel and position it on the shield. By duplicating and renaming the previously created text, you can quickly build all required destination names and labels. Each element can be resized in the Properties palette and freely positioned on the panel using standard CAD commands. To add arrows, we run the Guide Signs command again. Arrows can be added and mirrored easily, completing the panel design with clear directional guidance. At this point, the guide sign panel with all its elements is complete. Next, we want to define sign holder parameters. To do this, we run the Insert Sign Holder command. In the Insert Sign Holder dialog, we select the appropriate construction type from the templates and adjust visual parameters such as height, width, plan, and section scale. In the Sign Parameters, we click this button to assemble the entire panel into a new block with a single selection. We select our panel with all its elements, and the guide sign is converted into a new block. The command line asks us to enter the board name. For this example, we'll just call it Board and press Enter. We then click Insert to confirm our choices. Now we can insert this sign. The command line asks us to define the pivot point for the top view. Since we used 3-point structure, we'll choose the central point. Next, we select a polyline, alignment, or feature line to which the sign holder will be attached. We then specify the insertion point, the location of its section view, and its rotation angle. Finally, we can generate a report that includes the newly created guide sign panel. Because the panel is defined as a standard CAD block, we can easily edit it at any time by using bEdit command to edit the block definition. For the purpose of this example, we'll resize the panel, move the arrows, and adjust the text elements. Once we are happy with the changes, we save them and close the block editor. You can see that the sign in this drawing updates automatically. To reflect these changes in the report, simply run Update Traffic Signs Report and all sign attributes are updated instantly. That's how quickly and easily you can create, customize, and update guide signs with Kobi Signs and Stripes.